Hi, my name's Michael Williamson. Congratulations on reaching our website. You're just 3 minutes away from having the secret that will completely change your life in your hands. A system so powerful that it is able to generate a daily income of up to $1,586. Yes, $1,586 every day. Now wait a minute. Let's make the math together. Now we're talking about $47,580 in 30 days, an incredible $570,960 per year. But the most amazing thing about this tool is that you don't need any experience in web-related stuff whatsoever. You can even use this system being a complete computer illiterate. You don't need to attend boring webinars to show you how to sell products or read never-ending ebooks. You just need to be in front of your screen for 1 minute and press only one button, because this is 100% automatic. Before giving you the definitive solution to all the problems you have to achieve the life that you always dreamed of, you need two things. Now, one, the need to make money now. Loads of cash every day in just 1 minute a day. Now, I'm talking about making money almost automatically. Do you have 1 minute a day to make money? Two, have the guts, the will to be successful, a winning spirit. This make money system is not for losers. If you don't want to make $1,586 a day, it means you're on the loser side. So you won't make money with our system. In fact, please don't watch this video if you're not willing to make money. If you have the attitude of a loser, you won't be able to have the life you always dreamed of. And not only you will waste our time, but you will take the chance of other person that deserves it. If you are willing to give your life a radical change, buckle up, because in the next minutes, you will be in a journey straight to success with this new system that provides automatic earnings. Before handling you this formula to make millions of dollars, let me tell you my story. Now, my name's Michael Williamson, and I'm one of the creators of themakemoneyrobot.com. In 2012, I worked as a stockbroker in a well-known financial institution on Wall Street. Now, this company closed its doors from one day to the other, leaving more than 100 traders just like me in the street. Now, the reason this happened? Some famous computer engineers discovered a formula, an automatic investment system that provides 95% of ROI, buying and selling assets in the financial markets. You heard it, 95% earnings. It was a devastating day for me. From one moment to the other, I was not only out of a job, but I didn't even know what to do. And after 9 years of working as a stockbroker, I managed to boost my clients' portfolios to a superb 28% earning rate. But now, a computer software could do my job 4 times better than me at my best. Can you imagine that? 2 weeks went by, and I still didn't know what to do until the simplest thing occurred to me. Going back to the company that fired me, not to reclaim my former job, but to be smarter than them and recruit those software geniuses myself. Those who discovered that loophole in the system. I must admit, it was not easy. Now, first of all, because they're engineers, and secondly, because they had big salaries. But I managed to make them an offer they couldn't refuse. I told them, partner with me, you take care of the system, and I get the money in from investors. Well, in just 20 days, we were ready and functional, and after a few calls, we had our first clients. The first times were really surreal. Whole nights without sleep and just watching how our system made money by its own, while the engineers optimized every detail they could. Well, in just 7 days, we paid back the money I borrowed from all of our investors, and even with an interest of 30%. After only 1 month of rolling our system, we had already made $248,707, plain earnings. After the 3 first months, we reached $550,000. Now, everything seemed perfect. I mean, even better than perfect, but we'd still had one limitation. Our system was not able to function in a simultaneous way, opening the same operations with the same assets from one same IP. In other words, we needed more computers to run the system at the same time. So I came up with something pretty simple, getting in touch with all of my former colleagues that, as me, were sacked from the company. I worked in and offered them the possibility of using our system. They could do the money. We'd only charge them for a small commission. Now, what started out as a little help from both parts ended up being the biggest gold mine we ever hit. Now, a group of people was also generating money for me. Now, with all this push, my brilliant partners improved the system bit by bit and made it easier for the user with no knowledge of financial markets whatsoever. This opened up the possibility of looking for new business partners anywhere in the world without them needing to know anything about the dynamics of stock markets. We placed an ad in Craigslist, just offering a way to make more money without the need to actually use money. Well, to my surprise, 40 people responded to the ad. Basically, no one could believe that we were offering something like this for free. Actually, I completely understood them. The web has thousands of phony offers and false promises. The first thing we did was focusing on those 40 people. We improved the design and functionality of the system for the users to activate it with just a couple of clicks. This was an incredible move for us because now the earnings started rolling from more than 150 computers at the same time. Now, as a matter of fact, this was so radical that we decided to rename our system. And thanks to Robert, one of the first 40 users who believed in us. He kept telling us, "Thank you so much for this incredible robot that makes money for me." So we just called it our robot. The people that work for us are all independent and now have a more than stable job, and they're not afraid to be fired from any job anymore. Our Make Money robot gave them the possibility of achieving their dream life, increasing the balance of their bank accounts dramatically. Well, as of today, my partners and me no longer use the system. We dedicate the 100% of our time to improving every aspect of the robot we can, making it easier and more user-friendly so that more and more users from all over the world can take advantage of it. We've developed an advanced cloud programming capable of being scaled by 10 to increase its circulation capacity and therefore its power to open more than 15,000 operations at the same time. This gave us the possibility to create more than 10,000 new licenses of our system. This time around, I'd like to extend this offer to you as a gift to solve your financial situation and to start earning money today. Now, I'm talking about more than $1,586 a day, just pressing one button. I mean, insane! For you to understand and be able to see the results of this powerful software, I'll show you live how to operate the Make Money robot and get a real income out of every operation. In this way, I'll give you the undisputed proof that you can make money now without any excuses and without fear. Make Money Robot is an automated market signal system connected to a private insider report network that provides an information feed that tells you how the price of financial assets will behave, if they'll close higher or lower than the current price. Now, with this super valuable information, we win money knowing beforehand how the prices in the stock market will move. This information network is absolutely private, and it has been a very well-kept secret so far, just available for a bunch of stockbrokers and a few millionaires around the world. Today, the MIT graduates that work with me and myself have developed a tool that simplifies the whole process. Now, think of it this way. If you wanted to start trading in financial markets, you'd do it with a disadvantage, yes? Unfortunately, stock markets work in a way that make it very difficult for newbies like you without any experience to generate any earnings. But this is not your fault. Why, you may ask? Because the financial system is made just for winners to be able to make money. Just like you, I was a loser too, but now you have the power to change your story. I will make you a winner for life. There are already 8,567 users that profit from Make Money Robot. And as you well know, the ones who see the opportunities first are the ones who end up getting the best piece of the pie. So if you want to be part of the advanced ones, type your mail below and I'll show you how to earn money from your mobile phone, just as you are on your way home or simply commuting, with this amazing work of art I call Make Money Robot, absolutely free. Now, we're opening 300 free licenses per day now until we reach 10,000. Why would we close the circle if all of us can be winners? Now that you have listened to my story, I ask you again, do you want to be a winner? Do you want to have a daily income of $1,586 and more? Or do you still want to be a loser? You're just one step away from changing your life. So fill the space with your email, and you'll be able to get to the second step using our robot and start earning money in no time. Don't sleep on it. We have a few licenses left, and we really don't want you to miss the chance to change your life once and for all.